So this is how the market is opening today. If you guys can see here, the market is opening at 0.58% up, which is a bit of a gap up section, and it's opening at 24,171. Okay, so if you see the Nifty chart, you can see, so this is the gap what we are having today, and somewhere over here is where we have the resistance point. Okay, so that is close to 24,300 level. So let's see how the market will perform today, and I'll be showing you on what chart I'll be trading. So watch the video till the end to get the complete information. Okay, so this is the Nifty 50 chart what you guys just saw. Okay, so I'll be updating you what chart I select and everything. So watch the video till the end, and this is the analysis and trade without any indicators based on my unique strategy and the skills. So yes, the market is opening in a bit of a gap up section for the day, and the market does look a bit of an upward momentum for the day, as it is given the breakout on one of the resistance level what we have somewhere close to 24,100. So that level has given a breakout. Okay, so as of now I can see the market is slightly coming down as well, so it can take a support and the market might go up is what I'm guessing. So let's see how the market will perform today. So please note, this is the trade what I'm doing without any indicators, and this video is completely for an educational purpose. Okay, so now let's look at how the stock will perform today. So I've selected this particular stock to trade, and right now I'm looking at the chart and I'm guessing some of the levels here. So if it goes above 1825 to 1826, then it will be a buy trade in this particular chart. So as I can see right now, it's coming towards a bit of a downside. So if the stocks takes a good support and goes up, then I'll be on a buying side in this particular stock and see how it will perform for the day. Okay, so yes, you can see here the volume is slowly building up. Okay, so it's building up towards the buying side, and there's a good volume in this particular stock. So when we have a good volume in this kind of stocks, we can expect a good momentum for the day, either for upper side or either for a downer side. So it can perform in any way. So let's see how the stock will perform. And yes, I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience, guys. You can just go inside my profile and the channel to watch a lot of educational videos and trade analysis videos. Okay, and if you guys wish to improve your trading skill and knowledge, you can contact me personally to get the personal support from my side for educational purpose. Okay, so yes, as of now you can see the price is currently increasing and the buyer's volume is also increasing. So when I see all these things, it just like a little bit of a confirmation. Yes, the price is going to go towards the upper side. And not only that, the market was actually falling down, and now the market has taken some of a support and it's trying to sustain and go above it. So as of now, the market had opened today in a gap up section, but what happened is the market didn't sustain that opening part. Okay, so whenever there is a big gap up or gap down, there is always confusion in the market. It can reverse its trend. So that's the same thing what it happened today. So it did reverse its trend, but later it took a support and it started going up as well. So that's what I can see. So as of now, the stock is going up and it's almost getting near to my target, guys. So I'll just be safe here, and somewhere close to we have entered somewhere close to 1825 in the buying side, and somewhere close to 1835 might be the resistance level in Bharti Airtel stock as well. So before that resistance level come, I'll just plan to take my exit. Okay, so let's see how it will perform as of now, guys. So it is actually in a good bullish momentum. So anyway, I'll just take my safe exit somewhere over here, and also I'll be showing you my end of the day chart analysis as well to make you understand how it has worked out. And this video is completely for educational purpose. Okay, so yes, now the target has been done. Now let me quickly show you the end of the day chart analysis for you guys and show you how the market has performed for the day and how the stock also has performed for the day. Okay, so guys, yes, somewhere over here is where we took the buy entry in the morning, and after that you can see the price has continuously gone up. So somewhere over here is where I spotted the resistance level, that is 1835. So you can see here how it has performed in 1835. You know, it was bit of a range bounded side, but anyway, it has tried to give a big breakout and it has gone up till 1840 for the day. So overall, if you see, Bharti Airtel stock has gone in a upper side for the day, so which I can tell it is a bullish trade for the day. So the long side trade has given a target, and this is how the stock has exactly performed for the day. So Bharti Airtel stock has gone up and it has given our target. Okay, so this is how the stock has performed. So you can see till 10 o'clock almost, the price was bit range bounded, or it was coming towards the downside. But later, after 10 o'clock, it has taken a good support somewhere close to 1815. So from 1815, it has gone up till 1840. Okay, so 1815 was a support and 1835 was a resistance level, just given a little bit of a breakout above the resistance level and gone up till 1840. So this is how the stock has performed, and this was my analysis without any indicators for the day. Okay, so overall this is how the stock has performed. So this is my unique strategy. So with my unique strategy, I analyze and I identify the stock. Okay, so guys, always remember, just selecting the right stock and making wrong strategy is not correct. You have to have a right strategy along with right stock selection. So if these two conditions match, then only you will be able to get the correct trade for the day. So especially in intraday trading, you need to have a good accuracy. Okay, if you're doing swing trading, it's fine because you're investing, you'll get a lot of time to hold and all the things, but that's okay. But when you're doing intraday trading, the accuracy should be higher in order to make a good trades and to be in a profitable side. Okay, so anyhow, this is how the Bharti Airtel stock has performed as of today. So now let me quickly show you the Nifty 50 chart and show you how it has performed. So in the morning itself, I had showed you the opening part, that is how the Nifty 50 has opened for the day, correct? So let me show you once again and see how it has performed. So as I said you today, this was a gap up, almost 0.50% gap up, 0.5% gap up what we had today. And after gap up opening, you can see how the volume has performed. You can see in the first 15 minutes candle itself, the buyers were not at all strong. Okay, so whenever the gap up happens, what happens is most of the people will try to book the profit. It might be in Nifty or it might be in stock or anything. So when this profit booking happens, sudden selling happens, right? Because when you're bought something, when you sell it, that is called as profit booking usually. And when this profit booking happens, no, you can see a lot of volume will, whichever the volume which are going to the upper side will get converted to the selling side, and you can see wick has been formed. Okay, so this is the first wick of the day in 15 minutes time frame. So when you see a first candle itself has a wick candle, so that time we have to understand the momentum will be bit less for the next couple of hours. Okay, so that's what same thing happened here. So after 9:30 also, you can see till 12 o'clock the market was slowly coming down. Gradually it came down and touched the support level of 24,000. Okay, so opened about 24,150 something, so it came 150 points down, that too slowly. So it took till 1 o'clock. Okay, so why? Because I said you the first candle was a bit of an doji type of candle where the body strength was very less, no body at all. So it's like a hammer kind of pattern also, you can tell. So now what happened? So you can see the momentum is reduced. Okay, so whenever you spot this kind of candle in first 15 minutes time frame of the day, it can be in any stock or any index or any market. So that time it's going to be a bit of a sideways and bit of a challenging. Okay, the same thing happened here also. You can see from 9:15 to 1 o'clock the market just came 150 points down and it took too much of time. Okay, so it was slowly coming down, and after that you can see after 1 o'clock the stock, I mean the market, the Nifty 50 took exact support at 24,000 level. So now you know that the 24,000 level is one of an important level. Okay, so 24,000 level took a support, and from 1 o'clock to 3:15 the market has given a good move. It was continuous in an upper side trend. So you can see here from 24,000 to 24,339, 340 points the market has gone up at the end of the day. Okay, so this is how the market has been pushed up for the day on the second half. Okay, so first half slow movement, range bound, bearish. Okay, so the second half good volatility, the volume came in and it was continuously going up. You can see here how big the candle is formed here at 12:15 candle. It was a big volume of buyers what came in just in 115 minutes candle time frame. You can see a lot of volume what came into our market. So when the ending is this much strong, so even we can expect tomorrow the market might be in a bit of a bullish side, or it can give a bit of a gap up kind of momentum. Okay, I'm not telling you whole day momentum. Okay, so usually I don't predict things. Okay, So according to the market movement, according to that particular situation, I trade. Okay, so that's how intraday need to be traded. Okay, you can't predict anything in intraday. It's about your study, it's about your strategy. If you follow that, that's when you make a good trade. Okay, so anyway, so this is how the Nifty 50 market has performed for the day. So if you want me to just see one day time frame in Nifty 50, I'll just quickly do the analysis for you if anything is available. So yeah, you can see here the from last almost 1 to 2 months, it's very volatile. So 24,300 level is acting as a resistance level. So the same level has been touched on 20th of April and on 27th of April as well. And let's see how it will perform now. So now we are in May, and again in the May 6th, again 23,340 level has been again touched. Okay, so if this level breaks out, then we have a resistance level somewhere over here. About 24,600 level is the next resistance level, guys. And the support level what we have is, yes, 24,000 is one of our important support level. If that breaks, in case 23,750 is the next support level what we have on Nifty 50, and it's one of our important support level what I can tell. So overall, this is how the market has performed for the day, and this is how the stock has also performed for the day. So if you want me to see and analyze one day time frame of this particular stock, not too much of a moment here. It was just an intraday momentum what we got today, and it was a bullish momentum. So according to the Nifty 50 momentum only, our stock has also performed and given a good momentum for the day is what I can see. Okay, so this is the analysis, and this was the trade what I have done for the day. So do follow and subscribe for more information and knowledge like this, and do connect with me personally if you guys want to improve your trading skill and knowledge. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.